Take you higher, we are Cloud 7. Salamat po!
Excited pero kinakabahan rin. Pero ano po, masaya naman po kami dahil since it's a charity concert ko, we will get to matutulungan. To the people who we devote and offer our concerts to, we say that pag po kayo sa soup ko and kung ano mga problema natin sa life is kaya po natin lagpasan yun. And nandito po kami to be inspirations po so that anything is possible po and we just have to keep on fighting. We're here for you. It's gonna be a relaunch of Cloud 7 as a whole. You're gonna see another side of Cloud 7, a different side. The more babyish side, the more youngest people group side. Pero yun po, we will still maintain that youthful and freshness of Cloud 7 po. Alam na po namin si Miguel kasi
idol po nila.
Roshi!
Pero syempre lahat po kami dito gusto po maging actors pag bibigyan po ng chance.
As a group, no guys?
Alam mo yung bata, ringless ko kami.
Si Fian, gusto mo magbugan. Parang realize po ninyo na po si Fian kahit yung sinasagasaan.
Kahit isang second lang po ba sila mag-gano'n?
Your kotse, sinapak niya, no, Miguel, or
gusto ko po mag-host po. Like, dati po nung nasa elementary po ako nag-host po, nagka-commentator po sa church. So, feel ko kaya ko naman.
Siyempre, feel ko kaya ko naman. Girls and girls, 1, 2, 3.